Hello everyone, in this video, I'll showing you how to change your Facebook page name by using your mobile device in just a few simple steps. Let's jump right into the guide. Firstly, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Ensure you're logged into the account that manages the page you want to rename. Then, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner right, or the bottom right of the app depending on what type of device you're using to access the menu. Now, switch to the Facebook page you want to rename from the list of pages you manage. Then, what you need to do now is tap again on the three horizontal lines located under your page's cover photo to access the menu. Then, scroll down until you see Setting and Privacy option. Tap on it. And then tap on Settings. At the top of your settings you'll have the section for page and you then want to go and tap on Page Settings. Under Personal Information section, you can edit profile and username. To do that, tap on Name. Facebook will prompt you to edit your new page name. Type in the name you want for your page. But keep in mind, if you change your Facebook name now, you can't change your Facebook name again for 60 days. After entering the new name, tap the Review Change button to submit your name change request. Review your new page name and make sure it adheres to Facebook's guidelines. Once you've made decision, enter your Facebook password to save this settings. Lastly, tap on Save Changes. Now, it's important to note that Facebook will review your request, and this process may take up to 3 days. Once Facebook approves your request, you'll need to update your branding materials and inform your audience about the name change. And there you have it. That's how you can change your Facebook page name using your mobile device in 2023. Remember, Facebook's policies and procedures can change, so always refer to their official guidelines for the most up-to-date information. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more social media tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or if there are other topics you'd like us to cover, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.